Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on one of my oldest models, Mydfir, and that is a driving robot with color recognition, sonar and line following. And I'm focusing right now on the sonar because the original idea is that whenever it encounters an object, and let me put one of the original objects on the track, then it backs away, avoids it, and eventually stops. If both sides of the sonar, this one and this one, encounter an object, it just goes straight back and eventually stops. However, that hasn't been the case for a while, and when I got from someone another sonar, the one on top, then still things didn't go quite right. So hence my focus is now the sonar, and I will remove the lower sonar because it's no longer connected, a loose wire, and I will try to find out why things work, if I manage. So let's go to screencast and see whatever I can see or do or solve. Right, for this screencast, for this whole setup actually, to use this robot for a video, I have to use two computers. One on which the software is installed. I used to use it a long time for recording as well, but it has gotten so slow that I use it now over the network. So if you see here, I am using SSH2, very different to that original computer, over IP6, and then I can run things that I want. Same goes for idle with the sonar, with the pilot code, and for the diagnostics interface. And right now it is, I will reconnect just to show you. This is the data link, which is the red thing right in the right corner, bottom right corner. And the robo interface, which is that one, over the data link. So that is what I'm using. But I need to use also the sonar, so I have to do different. I want distance mode as well. And even then, I think it's not going to work really, but let's see how things work out. Well, that works out. And I think it's 3, yes. That works out as well. So that's working. But I'm not impressed with the sonar quality. So let me just pick it up so I can watch everything on screen, and I really see nothing, and that was exactly the case in the past as well, that in the diagnosis interface it didn't work, and in the code it did work. So that has not changed then. What can change is just running the code. So this is gone. And mind you, I'm still doing everything via the other computer, which I can show as well, but let's see how this works out. Right. And I still need Right, okay. Oh, that wasn't a good thing to close. That was not a good thing to close. Hold on. Yeah, because I need that interface to reset it so this can run. Ouch. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Tests, no code changes, but code verification. And seeing that also this data link, well, it's there, but it's not there. Software that is still working, but I suspect age. Because yes, it does work. Does it work perfectly? You'll have to see. If you like this video anyway, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, or click the bell for notification. Consider supporting via Buy Me a Coffee, via Ko-fi, or via Patreon or PayPal. See in the description box under the video all options and how to do it. And see also my website for more information on support and all my other projects. Is it going to be continued? Yes, because there are more things to be verified. And for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.